everyone, Diane here from Vermont Lavender, and today I am making a bath bomb fizzy salt soak. So it's like a hybrid between a regular bath bomb and salt soak because I'm using Epsom salt. So I'm trying this design right here. I did the Christmas tree, and I'll show you that a little bit later. So I'm going to just fill this up, and this one I could do white. I could also just add a little bit of green in there. And just go back and forth with my mixture. And just put this on there. Press it down. This is my arbor press right here. And then just push up. I'm very careful when you flip it over though. Oh, let's try the Polkadot. Oops. Clean this out. You really want to hold this down with your thumb so this doesn't come up. And I'll just take this off like that. There's a little bit of cracking. It's because the bath bomb mixture is starting to dry out. Thing design, they're really pretty. They're like little hockey pucks. That's what it makes me think of. I'm going to use, I like the Snowflake. That's this one right here. And you always want to clean that out, but this one really doesn't stick. So I'm going to add a little bit of my glitter, and this is what I have ready. I was going to make some other stuff. And I think I'll do the green. See how dry? Wow, that's really dry. My white is still really good. I probably just one more after this. Okay, let's press it down. See, this is why you have to lift weights even after 50. Make sure you do that. So you can still do stuff like this and it doesn't bother you the next day. Wow. Wow, check it out. Oh, the glitter. Push it up like this, ever so carefully. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that. Okay, now I'm going to do the tree. So this will make this batch 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, probably about 11. It's not too bad. A little bit of this. Ooh, that's a lot of glitter. Oopsies. A little bit too much. Okay. And let's do a little white. And do a little green. This one's going to be slimmer because I don't have much left. Make your little hole. together. It's so easy to line up. There's the Christmas tree. Here, and I got this from Wholesale Supplies Plus, but I don't know if you can get it from Amazon, and I'm not sure. So I'm just going to, oh, I could add my glitter. Yes, I like the glitter. I think it's really pretty. Then add the rest of my stuff in here. And you can just take the rest of it and smush it in there. I've used this mold even for shower steamers. So if you want to learn how to make shower steamers, I have my ebook down below. It's in the product shelf. I have several recipes in there. I don't have that mold in here, but you can always get that. But this works great for shower steamers too. You could do like a peppermint vanilla. That'd be a nice scent. And that'll dry, and then that's it. Alright, so thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help to get it out there in the YouTube algorithm. And the next video to watch is on making those foot bombs, bath bombs. So I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for joining me. I'm Diane from Vermont Loud. Oh, isn't that pretty? Wow. Okay, we know what to do. I'm gonna do add a little bit of glitter there, because that's very pretty. See? Just add a little bit. It's a little sparkly. Wow, look at that. Oh, that's a little bit. So you just press it down like that. Isn't that pretty? Very simple, but very pretty. And I will push it up like this. And flip it over very carefully. I don't know if it'll come on camera.